Hello everyone, we are the Group 3 and we're here to present you the Tasse de Café. Tasse is mean cup and branch, often used while ordering coffee. Tasse de Café means cup of coffee. The business created a unique brand name for attention and to leave a mark to the custom. Waking up and smelling coffee is an effective way to get the day started. The rich and satisfying smell of coffee could make you feel relaxed and energized.
Team members: Manager and Owner Clark Ramos, Chief Supervisor Clarice Hayag, Barista RJ Lena, Baker Pauline Padilla, Cashier Samantha Gavino, and Cleaner Candy Veloso.
Description of services and production. Tasse de Café is a small sole proprietor type of coffee shop located along Maharlika Highway, Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija, making the people, especially the students, as the target market. Furthermore, coffee has health benefits. It can improve energy levels, help you burn fat, drastically improve physical performance, fight stress, and make you happier, and many more.
Costing, pricing, contribution margin, and break-even analysis. For our variable costs, coffee bean is 20, milk and cream is 10, syrup and flavor is 10, to-go eco bags and straw is 5, disposable cup is 5, for the total is 50. For our fixed costs, rent is 10,000, salaries are 50,000, utilities are 5,000, for equipment is 30,000, license and permits are 5,000, for the total cost is 100,000. Price per cup is 150. For our sale, 1,000 times 150 is equals to 150k. Variable cost, 1,000 times 50 is 50k. For our contribution margin is 100,000. Fixed cost is 100,000. For the total is 0. For our BEP, 100,000 divide 150 minus 50 is equals to 1,000.
Mr. Clark Ramos own and operate the business. The cafe open 18 hours a day from Monday to Saturday and is closed.
Registration and Permit. DTI for business name registration. Barangay clearance to certify that we have a clean record within our community. Mayor's permit or sanitary permit. BIR to ensure that business are correctly reporting and paying tax.
Business potential. Tasse de Café is the best place to unwind and loosen up along with a cup of coffee and freshly baked pastries. Join us in brewing success. Let's schedule a meeting to discuss how you can be a part of our coffee journey. Our coffee shop will offer ethically sourced beans, a cozy ambiance, and community events that create a welcoming space for all coffee lovers.
Ambience. An aesthetically pleasing ambience is important because it can significantly enhance mood and productivity of the customers. Affordability, so customers don't choose other competitors, and it can build trust and loyalty of the customers. Sustainability, sourcing beans from ethical, sustainable farms or offering eco-friendly products. Edible straw and eco takeout bags. Edible straw is made from natural ingredients like wheat flour, sugar, rice, pasta, and sugar cane.
If you are interested, just contact us on our telephone number 0997 593 4579, and you can send message on our email at tassedecafe@gmail.com, and we are located at 123 Maharlika Highway, Valdefrente, Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija.